Welcome to this video where we are going to do some conversions. Part A will require us to convert 110 degrees in radians. Well, we do need to remember that 180 degree is equal to pi radians. Okay, RAD for short. And so, what is 110 degrees then? Well, I could start off with 1 degree. I'm going to divide by 180. And then 110 degree will be equals to, yes, I'm going to multiply this by 110. And that will give me a value of 1.92 radian in 3SF. So that will be the answer for part A. Part B, now instead of degrees, they give us the angle in radians. So I'm going to use back that same conversion but with a twist. Okay, I'm going to write pi radian instead, because now I am interested to know what is my 3.8 radian. So I would love to find out what is my 1 radian first. Yes, I am going to divide by pi on both sides. So you will see 180 over pi degree. And then, in order to find 3.8 radians, I just need to multiply by 3.8. And this will give me 217.7 degrees to 1 decimal place. And with that, we have come to the end of this video. If you like this video, do give it a thumbs up. Thank you for watching and have a nice day.